your onward connection. The read you to Internet.
Matthias, say what's up. So, for those of you who don't know, I'm visiting my friend in Switzerland. His name's Matthias, and I met him in the summer of 25 at a Spanish summer camp. And he's going to introduce himself now.
Hey, I'm Matheus. Lloyd came here to visit me. It's been really nice having him here. Skiing together has been really fun. He's been improving a lot.
That was so bad.
Oh, flipping out.
Okay.
Next time. You have to jump more.
I think that was a bit better.
That was better. Yeah.
Andiamo!
Watch out. Oh!
Today I didn't record too much because I was just by myself. Isn't that right, Matthias?
That's right.
Today was good. I did a total of 16 runs down the slopes, just practicing my carving, and got a bit better at that. Only fell over a few times, especially on the off piece because it's just harder with the powder. But this is what happened to my finger. It's chipped. This is St. Moritz.
What's up? It's dying. See that? See the elevator?
No, it's fine, keep talking, I'll mute the video. No. This is what it's like on the way up. Today it's snowing and I'm gonna get some footage of me snowboarding because I didn't get any yesterday. It's a solo day. That's the slope. I'll admit, filming while snowboarding is a bit harder. Right now I'm just doing my carve, so it's like this: toe edge, then heel edge, heel edge, so on and so forth. Just doing the same thing over and over because I need to prepare for the actual big mountains. This is pretty easy snowboarding. It's a blue. What's this? Straight through the middle. Bunny hop. Yeah, you didn't see that. I did do a bunny hop. This is the 10th run. So here we go. It's snowing quite a lot, which is good. Then you can see I've got the confidence now, because obviously this is my 10th run. If I didn't mention, it's my 10th run. So Matthias and I, you can see him in my helmet a little bit. Yeah, there he is.
Hey.
We're just gonna get a kebab and then I'm gonna head back on the slopes. But this is what the streets look like. Traditionally Swiss.
You can't really see this on the video.
A little bit, yeah. It's snowed quite a bit now, so the powder is immaculate. My speed's pretty good. This is for the whole day. I think. Actually, I know. It's my 19th run of the day, and it's going well. I'm really enjoying this powder. I'm also a bit of a numpty. I had my glove. You can see. Look. That's my thumb, yeah. I'm not wearing my glove, and it fell out my pocket, and it's at the top of the mountain, so I've got to go get it. I don't know if I can actually see it right now. That little black dot that you cannot see at all. Where is it? What the hell? It's all the way up there. The rescue mission. I'm in the ski lift going up to a really high point. Oh, it's so fresh to get that off. I'm not sure if I'm quite prepared for how steep this is. I've been on it before, but you can almost see it, but yeah, it's just so foggy you can't see anything. The powder, it's so much. So I did a bit of snowboarding on this pretty big mountain, but I was snowboarding with another person for a bit, but he went off to go to other slopes. Oh. So we're taking the lift now. Oh fuck. Whoa.
Oh, little kids.
This is the Samurai elevator.
We're going to D.
D, what does that mean?
Door.
And we've gone all the way
Sick.
down here.
What up, bro?
We're in Sunrise again, but this time at night time. You can see it's nicely decorated, very festive. We are on Semrits, yeah, an expedition Semrits Lake at the during night time. We came here on bus, and this is what it looks like. You can't see much, but if it was daytime, you'd see mountains. But that's the skyline of Semrits. It's pretty cool, and we're gonna have a night out here. Just playing some pool, checking out a few bars, maybe go to a club. Now I'm here to annoy Mateus by recording. We just had the night out and we're heading back now. We both slept on the bus for a while and now we're about to get picked up. So I've made it to Lucerne and I'm in, it's called Wolfenschaffen, or I don't know, it translates to shoot wolf.
Forward 15 years. It's nice.
Walking on clouds. You want to be in the video?
Es ist hure mühsam, drunter drin ist alles riesig, oder?
No, I think it's shadows. It's air pockets.
Gotta be, innit?
Yeah.
It's pretty weird looking, though.
Been walking for about 30 minutes, haven't we?
Yeah. We've only walked about 5,000 steps since we got off the train.
It's quite warm actually when you're hiking. I've only got whatever I've got on. Boots, 2 pairs of trousers, thermal and a t-shirt. And this is the track I'm going on. It's getting quite cloudy, but it's very fun and lots of natural beauty. The snow's quite deep. We got up on a chairlift, not chairlift, kind of cable car. Now, just checking out the thick of it before I head back, even all the way up there. This is probably as far as I'll go because it's just getting too narrow and I've seen enough, but it's been really good. So I'm just gonna run back. Can you see everything here? It's amazing. And we've got JT just there. I left my coat. I've got all my things here. This is my coat with all my belongings. Just done a bit of running, but I'm so tired now. The air up here is a bit thinner, only by a little bit, and that's just where I've run up from. The sun's disappeared now. It's become really cloudy, so we're going to take the kind of cable car down. Yeah. Down. Up.
I love the self-service thing.
Yeah, it's amazing. That right there is a frozen waterfall. And this basically marks my journey, my 15th country travel to, being Switzerland. What a stressful journey, finally at my gate.